Good morning, everybody. Last time we have to explain some MCQ. So today I explain some MCQ again. Those ask your examination. So number one, in the helium neon laser, the tube is filled with. This is the blank, and our option A. We have to give one four option: 90% helium and 10% neon, 50% helium and 50% neon, 10% helium and 90% neon, and D 60% helium and 54% neon. So our option is 10% helium and 10% neon. Then next, the energy of photoelectrons is 2.4 electron volt. Its frequency will be. This is the problem we have to given in your MCQ. These problems ask in your examination 3 to 4 marks. Keep in your mind. So all parameter we can write those given in the numerical problem and solve it properly. So 2.4 electron volts. Its frequency will be. So this electron volts you converts in volt 2.4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and value of H not given in the problem. So you have to remember value of H 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34. So our formula E equal to H nu. So energy of photon E you have to given 2.4, H का value 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34, and calculate the value of nu. So nu equal to E, E equal to H nu. So nu equal to E by H. So this is your formula, and put the value of H equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34, and value of E equal to 2.4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 90, and your answer is 5.79 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. This is the frequency. Which of the following is not application of X-ray? We have to give an application. Here is 4 application we have to given, and our question, which are not following application of X-ray? So first is used to detect bone fracture in the body. This is the application of X-ray. Then used in eye surgery. This is not application of X-ray. Used to destroy the tumors. This is also application of X-ray. Used to cure disease like cancer. This is also application of X-ray. But used in eye surgery, this is not application of X-ray. Next, X-ray are wave. Option A electromagnetic, B magnetic, C reflective, and D none of these. So X-ray are electromagnetic waves. This is the short wavelength. Then X-ray are electromagnetic radiation of very short wavelength in the order of कितना होता है उसका इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन में वेवलेंथ. शॉर्ट वेवलेंथ मतलब हाउ मच इट. सो 10 to the power minus 10 to 10 to the power minus 11, 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 5 to 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 6. So our option or our answer is 10 to the power minus 10 to 10 to the power minus 11. This is our option or this is our answer. So click this option in this way. Then which of the following is not a property of laser? इसमें से कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी लेजर की नहीं है? We have to given in the MCQ 4 property. Number A coherent, B monochromatic, C beam is extreme intense and high penetrating power. So This is high penetrating power is not property of laser. This is the property of X-ray, keeping your mind. Next, which of the following is not pumping method of laser? So, number one, optical pumping method, electrical pumping method, and chemical pumping method, and jet pumping method. So, here is jet pumping method is not pumping method of laser. लेजर में जेट जो है पंपिंग मेथड नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, लाइट लेजर और लेजर लाइट इज मोनोक्रोमेटिक. मीन्स ऑप्शन ए, ऑल द वेव्स आर सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ वेवलेंथ. बी, ऑल द वेव्स आर एग्जैक्टली इन सेम फेज. सी, ऑल द वेव्स एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट इन फेज. एंड डी, ऑल द वेव्स carry same energy. So laser light is monochromatic, means all the waves are same frequency of wavelength. So laser light is monochromatic, means all the waves are same frequency or same phase or wavelength. Keep in your mind. So this is your option answer. Now numerical problem I will take here. Find the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons ejected from surface of metal of light of frequency 1 into 10 to the power 15 Hertz given threshold wavelength of metal is 4500 angstrom. So this is the numerical problem. In this problem, find the maximum of kinetic energy. So kinetic energy we can find out in this problem or to calculate the kinetic energy. So photoelectrons ejected from the surface of metal of light frequency, the value of nu is given 1 into 10 to the power 15 and wavelength also given, threshold wavelength, that is lambda 0 also given 4500 angstrom. So kinetic energy we have to calculate, question marks, nu frequency we have to given 1 into 10 to the power 15, lambda 4500 angstrom out to given. So this angstrom converted into meter, so 10 to the power 10, this is the multiply by 4500. Then h equal to 6.625 into minus 34, this you have to given, or you remember, keeping your mind. This value not given in the problem, so you have to remember this value. 6.63 or 6.625. C, value of C, speed of light, you have to know, keep in your mind, or you have to remember, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So formula for kinetic energy, kinetic energy equal to H in bracket nu minus nu 0. Nu minus nu 0, that is equal to H in bracket nu minus C by lambda 0, and this is the value of lambda 0. Keeping your mind, here is only lambda, but you have to consider lambda 0 because lambda 0 denoted by threshold wavelength. So H in bracket nu minus C by lambda 0. Again kinetic energy H in bracket nu minus nu 0 equal to H in bracket nu minus C by lambda 0, that is equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 1 into 10 to the power 15 minus 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 4500 into 10 to the power minus 10. So multiply this whole values and our answer of kinetic energy 2.21 into 10 to the power 14 Hertz, and this is the kinetic energy, keeping your mind. Then photoelectric work function of the certain metals is 3 into 10 to the power 19 J. J means joule. Calculate its threshold frequency if Planck constant H equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 Js, joule second. So here we have to given work function, that is 3 into 10 to the power 19 joule. H already given in the problem 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34, and nu be the frequency you have to calculate, keeping your mind. So W0 equal to h nu 0, this is our mathematical formula. Therefore nu 0 equal to W0 upon h. So W0 upon h, W0 we have to given 3 into 10 to the power 19 upon h का value 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 934 joule second. Divide by this 3 into 10 to the power 19 divided by 6.625. This value we have to divide it, and 19 base 10 and minus 34 base 10. So you get 10 to the power 14. Hertz. So nu 0 frequency, threshold frequency is nu 0 equal to 4.5 into 4.5 to 8 into 10 to the power 14. So this type of numerical problem may be asked in your examination. Any doubt, any problem, any query, you ask me, student. So now I stop here. Thank you very much.